On 20th of November, during early hours, an intel of peddling huge quantity of marijuana was received by the police department. Hence, police set up a checkpost and intensified its checking at Khatkati. According to reports, police department along with 20 battalion CRPF jointly conducted a search operation at Khatkati after an intel of peddling huge quantity of marijuana was received. During the search operation, a truck bearing registration number UP14807851 was intercepted in suspicions of carrying illicit contraband with them. The truck was rigorously searched and recovered as many as 4 quintals of marijuana from their possession. Two people were arrested in connection to this case, and they were identified as 52 years old of Ramayan Yadev, son of Tulasi Yadev from Chitkundi, Ara Bhojpur district, Bihar, and 55 years old Bhola Yadev, son of Kailas Yadev from Moshar, Ara Bhojpur district, Bihar. It was informed that the contraband seized were destined to Bihar. All the contraband seized were taken to police stations, and SDPO John Das EPS would be monitoring the investigation. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbin Long Live.